Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss. My name is Dika Nanda Putra, and I'm from the University of Swaziland. And right now, in the second semester, you gave me the third, I think, third or fourth oral test. And this oral test, you gave me a question about test tube baby, and I'm gonna answer it. The question number one is, what is test tube baby? Basically, this is called IVF, which is a process carried out by medical professional by uniting an egg with sperm for successful fertilization, or it can be defined as a result of successful human reproduction resulting from methods other than sexual intercourse between a male and female. And the question for number two is, how does Islam see it? Actually, test tube babies are forbidden, but there are those that are allowed in the original Islamic religion for Sharia reason, namely, first, execute at the pleasure of husband and wife, and the second is insemination is carried out while still in husband and wife status, and the third is done because of an emergency so you can get pregnant or sterile, and the last one is estimate from doctors who are likely to give a result by using this method. Oh, for the last question is, what is surrogate motherhood and what is the Islamic ruling for hukum on it? The test tube babies that are forbidden are, one is based on the Sad Azariyah principle, rejecting negative or harmful impacts. IVF from a husband and wife entrusted by another wife's uterus, for example, from the second wife entrusted to the first wife, is illegal because it is tied to the problem of inheritance. Second, IVF from frozen sperm from a husband who has died is illegitimate because based on the Azaria principle, because it will cause complicated problems both in relation to the determination of lineage and in relation to matters and heritage. The third one is IVF whose sperm and ovum are taken from a legal partner because it's the same status as adultery. A surrogate mother is a woman who is entrusted by a husband and wife to become pregnant with the result of the fertilization implanted in her uterus. And when you have given birth, the baby must be handed over the husband and wife who has already have an agreement, or it can be called ran rahim. The law is illegal because it will cause complicated problems with relation to inheritance issues, especially between children who are born to mothers have ovum and mothers who are pregnant then give birth to them, and vice versa.